What's up guys? So, Harmony operating system, Huawei's own OS, as an alternative of Android, while the operating system is now spreading like wildfire. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. So, Harmony operating system comes with various distributed features that are basically designed to provide a seamless interconnected user experience. Therefore, every Huawei smartphone user across the globe wants to install this new operating system as soon as possible. And why not though? Because it's one of the biggest update Huawei users are getting. Anyhow, the operating system is spreading really fast. If you remember, during an Office product launch event, Huawei announced that Harmony operating system has crossed 1 million upgrades in China, but the celebration was global. Yes, the success must be shared with every bit of Huawei consumer. And now, within the next 15 days, Huawei's president announced that 120 million devices now have Harmony operating system update in smartphones and smart devices. And this is a huge step and a milestone from Huawei that is very hard to achieve by any mobile software maker, but the Chinese tech giant did it with the help of its consumers. So, I would like to include that, and it's the most disappointing thing. Not a single global Huawei phone got the update of Harmony operating system. I don't know why though, but now, Huawei fans around the globe wants Harmony operating system update. Anyway, we have been waiting for around 3 months now, and nobody seems to have any information regarding the global Harmony operating system release date, or even you can see the launch of EMUI 12, and that's not fair at all. But we seemingly believe that the Chinese software maker is now working to resolve the ongoing issues to put Harmony operating system in global users' hands. We definitely want Huawei to touch new heights with the Harmony operating system, but the question of global consumers is also valid and reasonable. Therefore, their questions must be satisfied and fulfilled as soon as possible. So Huawei, if you are listening somehow, please let us know when the Harmony operating system global version is coming. So, with it said, you know what? According to the latest data, since the launch date of Harmony operating system 2.0 for smartphones, on June 2, 2021, over 1 million users have been upgrading their devices each day on average. This is phenomenal, and this is a huge revealing, but I would say it's not surprising compared to the speed that every Huawei smartphone owner wants to upgrade with this new operating system as soon as it's available for them, and it's a huge success. And honestly, if you think again, 1 million users have been upgrading their devices each day on average in China, like it's spreading on that level. Also, the Huawei Mate 50 Pro could come at a Huawei event in October, and I would say this is quite amazing considering ongoing Huawei situation. But one thing is clear though, the Huawei Mate 50 Pro will also launch with Snapdragon chip. It might be the Snapdragon 898 chip with 4G configuration because they have gotten the permission to use 4G chip, but they can't use 5G chip. So, the global event that is set for October 21st will be the slot that the Chinese tech giant may use to introduce the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Furthermore, I have another great news to share. You know that there is not a single global Huawei phone that have Harmony operating system, but that might changes this year in October. Yes, in the same event, where Huawei might launch the Huawei Mate 50 and the Huawei P50 Pro global variant, there is chances that they might launch the global version of Harmony operating system there. So, if you're holding a Huawei phone, wait until October, or I would say, wait until this year. You might get the Harmony operating system, which is a big update. Anyway, that's all the latest news. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah!